Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can create cloud place logo effect in CapCut PC. So prepare your logo and import. So I'm just going to add this Instagram logo and I'm just going to add effect and select video effect, select lens and add the edge glow just for duration, the sunlight, resize for the logo and add another effect. So I'm going to add this night color, select black place. So you are just going to set the glow just for the glowing. Here we go. It's super simple tutorial. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share and also subscribe. If you have any question, please leave in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching.